Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix talkback on Vivo mobile. Friends, we want to fix talkback. So how to fix talkback, let's see in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have this setting and yes, you are not operating your Vivo phone. So how to fix this problem? Friends, first of all, friends, use your two finger. Then, friends, you can use your Vivo phone. Friends, one finger we cannot use Vivo phone screen. Use your two finger and scroll it. Friends, click on Vivo phone setting. One tap on phone setting. And friends, how to on setting? Friends, you can see we cannot on setting. So guys, double tap continue. Then friends, you can on phone setting. Friends, click on network setting. Friends, again use your two finger guys. You can use friends any two finger guys. Any two finger friends you can use it. But friends, use two finger because one finger you cannot use your Vivo phone screen. So I use your two finger and friends, click on Vivo phone shortcut and accessibility setting. One tap here and friends double tap here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see accessibility setting is one tap here. Friends, double tap here. Friends, you can see accessibility menu setting, switch as select to speak setting. Friends, click on talkback and double tap on talkback. Friends, you can see use talkback setting is one tap here and friends double tap here. Stop button friends, double tap here. Friends, your talkback problem will fix, and friends now you can use your Vivo phone guy without any talkback problem. And friends, you can fix one more method friends, one more trick friends, you can solve, you can fix your talkback problem. First guys, we will on talkback. After on talkback friends, how to fix this problem with shortcut setting. So friends, you can solve this problem from your search option guys. One tap on setting, double tap here. Friends, double tap on search bar and guys search your T A. So stop back friends, one tap here and just continue two tap here. Direct friends, you can fix this problem. Double tap here, one tap, double tap, stop, double tap. Your talkback problem will solve on your Vivo phone device, and friends, you can use your phone without any talkback problem guys. So like that friends, we can fix talkback problem on Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.